In the second part, we call it recruitment rally, that we conduct in one of the district of Telangana state, and all the candidates who have been shortlisted in the written exam, they visit that district and take part in the recruitment rally. So these are the candidates who have successfully qualified in the written examination. So the first day they undergo the physical fitness test. So physical fitness test includes the run, which is 1.6 kilometer run test, followed by they have some physical test like beam oblique pull-ups we call them. So thereafter there is a zigzag balance and there is a 9-foot ditch. So there are three main obstacles in the physical fitness test where they have to undertake this test. Once they have qualified in these tests, then they move to the another stage, that is physical measurement test. So in physical measurement test, their height, their weight and their chest are measured, and if they are found fit in the physical measurement test, then they are called for the medicals the subsequent day or the next day, the following day. So medical is again depending on the requirement or the category on which they have applied. So they undergo the medicals by the army doctors, that is they are called recruiting medical officers, and post medicals, if they are found fit in the recruitment rally medicals, they are considered as medically fit candidates. Those who have got some aberrations, temporary unfit or permanent unfit, they are sent for the specialist review in the military hospitals. Like in this case in Telangana, we have a military hospital Secunderabad. So like every state has got military hospitals / base hospitals. So once they go to the medicals, then generally the recruitment process, let me tell you, is a very transparent and a very merit based system. So then the final merit list is drawn, and then the shortlisted candidates get their results on the website as well as their registered email. Then they are supposed to report to the Army Recruiting Office Secunderabad for the documentation, and then we carry out the dispatch process there, and then we send them to respective training centers for the training.